Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how you can change now playing status on Discord. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to stick with us till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, you need to log in into your Discord application. Once you're logged into your account, next you need to click on the avatar icon or your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. And as you click on the icon, right on top, a pop-up will appear. And from there, you need to click on set a custom status, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you click on it, right in center, a pop-up appears where you'll be able to set a custom status. So right over here, you need to enter the status, or you need to type in the message that you want to add it to your status. And under it, you have an option as clear after. It's basically as a timer, so you can tap on their icon and then you can set a timer. So for example, if you set it for 4 hours, then your status will remain for 4 hours, and after that it will be automatically removed. After typing your custom status message, click on save. Once again, you'll redirect to the home page, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see your custom status message. In case if you want to change your status or if you want to clear it, then just tap on the cross icon just next to the status or the custom status. So that is how you can change now playing status on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.